Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to our respected Madam Nur Azian, and my fellow classmates here today. Today we are Group 3, and we are going to be presenting on our business project called the Smart E-Mobility Hub. So today I'll be joined by my classmates, Brother Aiman and Brother Mustaqim and me, Nazrin. And the tagline for our business project is struck by your electric love. EV. You get it? Electric love. Yeah. Okay. So next slide please. So the first component I'm going to be talking about the concept, industry and market analysis. So I like to start off this part by quoting a famous person who we all probably know. He's the creator of a popular electric vehicle brand. Can anyone tell me who it is?
Elon Musk.
Yes, correct. So Elon Musk once said, if something is important enough for you, then you must do it, even if the odds are against you. So the problem that we face in IIM is the odds are against IIM students. So during our research, we conducted an interview with a few students. And one of the students was called Nawa. And the Nawa paradox is basically, when we interviewed her, she claimed that she did not use any electric vehicle. But when we observed her after a while, we saw that she actually uses an electric vehicle. So in user experience, this is called what users say versus what users do. And basically it affirms that some users of electric vehicles feel too shy or too afraid to acknowledge that they have their own electric vehicle. And this proves as a problem when they want to find their own repair or look for maintenance for their electric vehicle. And the relatability angle is that some students feel the pressure and the stress of owning an electric vehicle, and they are too scared to ride their own electric vehicle on the campus. So what we want to do is legitimizing the shadow market and turning from hidden obstacles to a phygital ecosystem. So what does phygital mean? Phygital means a physical and a digital hub. Okay. So basically, what we're going to do is we're going to open up a physical repair shop. And it's also going to be supported by an app. So, bridging the say, do, get in campus mobility, we want to encourage the right to repair. So what is the right to repair? It's basically the right to, when we own something, we have the right to repair and fix it. So we want to encourage that in the IIM community, and we also want to include regulatory pressure, which means companies must force more sustainable approaches to their own vehicles. So the target customers is the budget student, the OKU rider, and the fleet operators. And the competitive edge that we're giving is we want to have a lot of trust, price and safety. So the trust is we're going to collab with KAE students who have a 3.5 CGPA, and they will be the technicians. The price will be RM85 for students, and safety we're going to be regulated by the laws of transport. So now I'm going to move on to Brother Mustaqim to show the financial.
operation
The
plan.
operation plan, sorry.
So as you guys can see, for our MVP, we're going to do a physical as I explained just now. So the first one is the hub physical, where we plan to open this physical hub in the student square. So how this physical hub is operated is used as a living lab, where all the experiment and the project of our business is we're going to do it there. And the second one is the app, which is the digital part, where users can do the diagnostic, booking and carbon tracking using the app. So how do you use the application itself? So first, the digital trials, where you as user, you can upload the photo in the application, and then it will provide instant diagnosis, and then you will drop the vehicle at the hub, which implementing the physical hub application, and the physical check will be done by the technician. And then for the step 3 is the precision repair, where the technician will double check your situation, and then he will fix your immobility devices based on what the problem is. Okay, so next, so why we are the right team to build this? So the first one is because we are our team composition came from a cross-disciplinary strength, which is we're collaborating with the KOE and the KSCT student, where KOE student will become a technician and the KSCT student will focus more on the development of the application. And then technical and academic support, operational readiness, where we have completed a market validation with a survey that have been answered by the 10 active rider using their in-depth solution and then survey. So and then the key role, where we have a shop manager. So the unfair advantage. Why we the one who should do this? Because first we have inside access, where we're a student, and then we have access to the student life. So where we may know the problem and we may provide a solution for that. So in technical and academic support, operational readiness, okay, next for the key role. So the shop manager, so the physical hub will be the structure, the organization will be the shop manager, which will anchor the business, and then the lead technician, which will oversee the technical quality, and then the ICT development team, which manage the application and backend the logic integration. So next, Brother Aiman.
Okay, so now is the financial overview. So we have our two phases of the financial plan. First is our main cost, which is the repair price, which is the B2B. We will charge 85 ringgit for averaging each customer. And our second financial plan is about subscription model, which is around 5 to 10 ringgit per each customer. So this is our pricing strategy, which is 35 ringgit. Battery services and software licensing, which is 35, 35. What is student friendly, it's scalable margin and market aligned for all the students. Next. Okay, so this is our financial overview. I want to emphasize on this one. This is our break-even market. Supposedly, to manage our profit, we will have to break even around 126 scooter repair per month, which is around 10,700 ringgit. And this is our funding distribution. Our funding distribution. We require funding is about 11,200 ringgit, and we distribute it into 3 sections. Which is first is the workshop, 7,000 ringgit, which is our to build an workshop and to a battery tools and workstation. Second is our digital apps, which is require 1,120 ringgit. And lastly is our inventory, which is our spare parts, which is tire bites, battery and brake pad. And lastly is our strategy fit. What's our USP, unique selling point? Is a campus integrated business, which is we live near the campus, easy for students to use. Second, we use a hybrid model from B2C repair, and that is our digital first experience at booking and data insight for fleet operation. Lastly is our student lead expert backend. So we have a certification for the student. And our last is value proposition versus customer. This is our customer, our competitors, us, off-campus and their peers. I don't want to get into this. This is our strategic mode. We follow the regulatory mode, campus exclusivity, low cost operation, and scalability, tech backbone.
So this is our application. Okay, so basically you can log in, and then here you can see all the you can choose any premium features which you can take by the upgrade now, which we provide a few extra stuff in the right. And then by here you can see also that you can also rent the vehicle that we have provided at the hub. Also, you can find the charger of the scooters. Like we also provide a location for charger of the scooter around Gombak area, and then which you can find the location. And then we also have a shop where you can redeem the point by save your carbon level, which is stated here. This is the carbon level they have saved. And then we also have an additional stick which you can use to scan the vehicle.
Yeah, you're out of time already.
This is for tracking, and this is for second feature, which for your scooter, for your smart mobility devices. And then that's all.
Right, to wrap it up, our Smart Mobility Hub encourages people to use electric vehicles on the ION campus. This is a rising problem that people are very scared to use electric vehicles on campus because there are not enough strict rules and awareness of smart mobility vehicles on campus. That's all from us. We hope you like our presentation. Thank you very much.
If you don't cover the market